Hi everyone, hope you all will be fine. I welcome you all to my channel Kiddie Cove. Our today's topic is kindness. Do you know what is the meaning of kindness? Let me help you. Kindness means being friendly, having good deeds, being concerned, helping others when they need you. Doing something nice for someone without expecting anything in return. There are different ways to show kindness. For example, smile, help someone if they fall over, go and sit with someone who is sitting alone, sit next to someone at lunchtime you would not normally sit with, ask someone how they are, and pick up the litter. Say good morning. Write a letter to someone thanking them for something they have done or said. Say something nice to as many people as possible. Let someone go ahead of you in the line. Hold doors for others. How does kindness help our school? Doing kind things for others activates the parts of the brain that makes you feel happy. Kindness also makes people feel that they belong and help to reduce bullying. Being kind helps you to make friends. Do you like to make friends, children? Kindness can help you concentrate as the good chemicals in your brain are released and you feel relaxed. It also increases our sense of well being. And being kind to people encourage them to be kind too. It also makes our world a better place for everyone. Let's talk about it. Have you talked with thoughtful, caring words today? Have you shown understanding of someone's feeling today? Yes, children? Have you helped someone today? If yes, then great job. I hope you have learned the importance of kindness in our life. For these kind of informative videos, keep visiting my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.